Hello, Dave. All right, here is your full 539S. All righty. Testing and adjustment have gone well. No leaks. Just a little bit of condensation. Other than that, she's good. Look down inside, you can see she's nice and dry. All righty. Well, let's go ahead and fire it up. Now, if your timing is right, this is what you'll get. And that float is set correctly. No problem, no drift. All right, let's look at some numbers. Currently idling at about 660 RPM, a little bit higher. Fuel pressure is 2.5 plus. Vacuum is 22 and change. What's that? Pretty good, pretty good. All right, well, let's pull her through. Yes, sir. Very happy with that. Yeah, your meeting rod is set absolutely correctly. All right, my friend. Thank you. Have fun.